Hello students, in today's accountancy session, I am going to teach maintenance of capital accounts of partners. All the transactions relating to your partners in a firm are recorded in the books of accounts through their capital accounts. So it is important to prepare capital accounts. This capital accounts of partners can be maintained in two methods. One is fixed capital method and another one is fluctuating capital method. Today I am going to discuss about fluctuating capital method. In fluctuating capital method, fluctuating capital method is a method under which the capitals of the partners fluctuate. Fluctuate means change from year to year. Under this method, only one account, that is partner's capital account, is maintained for each partner. So what it says, this fluctuating capital method is a method. Under this method, the capitals of the partners fluctuate from year to year. Why it fluctuates? Because all the adjustments like share of profit and loss, interest on capital, drawings, interest on drawings, salary or commission to partners are recorded in the capital accounts itself. Under this method, we prepare only one ledger, that is partners capital account. In that partners capital accounts, all the adjustments we do enter with the capital. So, the capitals of the partners fluctuate, change from year to year. So this is about fluctuating capital method. So under fluctuating capital method, how many ledgers we do prepare? We prepare only one ledger. What is that ledger? That ledger is partners capital account. So pro forma of partners capital account we do discuss. This is the table what I have drawn. Under this table, so in this table, we do enter all the transactions. So what is the heading I have given? Partners capital account. Which method it is? Fluctuating capital method. See here, what is the table heading I have given? Date, particulars, JF, journal folio, amount for debit. For credit, date, particulars, journal folio, amount. This is about table. Ledger heading is what? Partners capital accounts. Here, first we shall start with the credit values. First, I do write by balance brought down. This by balance brought down is about what? Opening capital of partners. Capital is a liability. Liability values or credit values. So we do write opening capital on credit side of partners capital account. Opening balance of capital. This is opening balance of capital. We do write in the beginning. Next to this, by bank account. This by bank account is nothing but fresh capital. Fresh capital is nothing but additional capital. Additional capital introduced by the partners should be credited because additional capital is also a credit value. Based on the nominal account rule, all the incomes and gains should be shown on credit side. All the expenses and losses should be shown on debit side. So I do write this. Why do I write XXX? Because it is a pro forma. You should not write the values. You have to show only this in pro forma. When we do problems, we do enter the values. And next one is what? By partners salary. salary is an income to the partner because the salary will be paid by the firm to the partners. So it is an income to the partners. We should show this on credit side. Next to this, by partners commission account. Commission is also an income to the partner. So we do show this on credit side. Next, by interest on capital account. On partner's capital, interest will be calculated and it should be paid by the firm to the partners. So once again, it is an income to the partners. So we do write this on credit side. And next one is by P&L appropriation account. If there is a share of profit. In P&L appropriation account, if there is a profit, should be transferred to partner's capital account. Profit is a credit balance, so we should show this on credit side. So these are the credit values we do have in partner's capital account. Next to this, I write here drawings. How much withdrawal will be done by the partners? These are drawings against profit. We do write this on debit side because it is a debit balance. If a partner withdraws on capital, we do write this as bank or cash. Once again, it is a debit value. We do write it on debit side of partner's capital account. Next to this, interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is a debit balance because it is an expense to the partners. We do show it on debit side. On his withdrawal, should calculate interest based on the percentage and it should be paid to the firm. So we do write this on debit side. Next one is if there is a loss on profit and loss appropriation account, share of loss. It's loss, share of loss is a debit balance. So we do write this share of loss on debit side of partner's capital account. Here it's a profit. Profit is a credit balance. We do show it on credit side. There is a loss, should show this on debit side. So all the entries I have mentioned here, and at the end what we have to do? We have to do balancing. Feel the credit side, the total is more. So I write the total of credit side here. The same total I do write here in debit side. If I deduct all these expenses from this total, I get a balance here on debit side. That balance should be written here as balance carry down. This is a closing balance of capital. This is what? This is opening balance of capital. This is closing balance of capital. This is about pro forma of partner's capital account under fluctuating method. Here is an illustration. Rakesh and Rakshita are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. Who are the partners here? Rakesh and Rakshita. What is the ratio? 5:3. On 1/4/2018, it shows it is a financial year. Their capital stood as 1,50,000 and rupees 1 lakh. Rakesh capital is 1,50,000 and Rakshita's capital is 1 lakh. From the following particulars, prepare capital accounts of partners assuming that the capitals are fluctuating. By seeing this, you should understand it is a fluctuating capital method. So what is the first one? Interest on capital. 8% for Rakesh and 8% for Rakshita. Drawings during the year. Rakesh drawing is 18,000. Rakshita's drawing is 10,000. Interest on drawings. Rakesh interest on drawing is 1,800. Rakshita's interest on drawing is 1,000. Salary only for Rakshita it is given. How much it is? 12,000. Commission for Rakesh is how much? 10,000. Share of profit calculated in P&L appropriation and directly given, so we didn't calculate. We need not prepare profit and loss appropriation also. We are going to do only partners capital account. Rakesh share of profit is how much? 20,000 and Rakshita's share of profit is how much? 12,000. So just before we do problem, we have to write the given values so that we feel easy to post these entries in ledger. Opening balance of capital 1,50,000 for whom? Rakesh. 1 lakh for whom? Rakshita. Is it clear? Then interest on capital is how much? 8%. 8% on 1,50,000 it comes to 12,000. 8% on 1 lakh it comes to 8,000. So salary for whom it is given? Salary for Rakshita. Salary for Rakshita it is given. So 12,000 only for Rakshita I write. Commission for Rakesh it is given. How much is given for Rakesh? 10,000. So you write commission only for Rakesh. P&L appropriation. Profit for Rakesh is how much? 20,000. Rakshita is how much? 12,000. So I do write. Drawings. See here. Drawings how much it is given for Rakesh? 18,000. So I write 18,000. Rakshita's how much? 10,000. So I do write 10,000 for Rakshita. Interest on drawings, is it given? Yes, interest on drawings we have not calculated. It is given in the question. Rakesh 1,800 and for Rakshita it is how much? 1,000. So these are the values I have taken from where? Question. So next to this we do prepare a ledger. We shall start solution of the given problem. See here the table heading. I have written debit. Under debit, date, particulars, journal folio. For two partners, we have to create the columns. One for Rakesh, another one for Rakshita. And for credit, date, particulars, journal folio. Rakesh, for Rakesh one column, Rakshita another column. What is the heading? Partners capital accounts. Under which method? Fluctuating capital method. We shall start the credit values first. I do write by balance brought down. This by balance brought down is nothing but what? Opening value of capital. What is the opening value of capital? Given in the question. See the question here. The opening balance of capital is how much? 1,50,000 for Rakesh and 1 lakh for Rakshita. So I write here 1,50,000 for Rakesh and 1 lakh for Rakshita. Okay. Now after this is what? Opening capital of Rakesh and Rakshita. So after this we shall write the interest on capital what is given in the question. So interest on capital is an income to the partner. So we do show this on credit side of partner's capital account. We do calculate this. Here you see in the question interest on capital how much it is given? 8% for both the partners. So we should calculate. If I calculate for Rakesh, 1,50,000 into 8 by 100. This is for 1 year. 1 year means how many months? 12 months. So 12 by 12. It comes to 1. We need not try. Just for your understanding, I have written here. So how much? How much it comes? It comes to 12,000 for Rakesh. For Rakshita, 1 lakh into 8 by 100. It is for 1 year. It comes to how much? 8,000. See, this is what? This is about first one. It is about what? Opening. This is about what? Opening capital. Capital is a liability. Liability is a credit value. We do show this on credit side by default. Now next one is what? Interest on capital. It is an income to the partners. We do show it on credit side. I did calculation here. On capital of Rakesh, 8% for 1 year I calculated. How much I got? 12,000. On capital of Rakshita, 8% I calculate. I'll get how much? 8,000. And next to this, we write salary by salary. Salary is also an income to the partners. Here you see in the question, for the salary only for Rakshita it is given. It is not given for Rakesh. So we do write here for Rakshita 12,000. 12,000 salary for whom? Rakshita. Salary is an income. So we do show it on credit side. What is next? Commission. So by commission account. See here, commission for whom it is given? Rakesh. It is not given for Rakshita. So only for Rakesh we write. How much we write? 10,000. Is it clear? Commission is also an income to the partners. And next to one it is given P&L appropriation account, share of profit. P&L appropriation account. This is about what? Share of profit. Profit is a credit balance. We should show on credit side. How much is the profit? 20,000 for whom? Rakesh. 12,000 for Rakshita. So usually whenever we prepare this partners capital account, first we should calculate P&L appropriation. But with an explanation I continued. That is why I actually like to give one solution of this or illustration doing without P&L appropriation account. After this we shall practice with P&L appropriation account. Now P&L appropriation account, share of profit 20,000 for whom? Rakesh. 12,000 for whom? Rakshit. So these are the credit values we have entered. Now we do write debit. So what is this? See here, this is about drawings. What is given in the question? 18,000 for Rakesh, 10,000 for Rakshita. Drawings, it is a debit value. So we should show this drawings on debit side. What is next? Interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is an expense to the partners. So this should be debited. How much it is? 1,800 for Rakesh and 1,000 for Rakshita. What is next? All the entries we have done. Now we have to do what? Balancing. How to do balancing? To do balance, we need total. So here on credit side, I feel the total is more. So here I start to do total. Rakesh total is how much? 1,92,000. 1,50,000 plus 12,000 plus 10,000 plus 20,000. We get 1,92,000. Rakshita's total is 1 lakh plus 8,000 plus 12,000 plus 12,000, 1,32,000. The same total I do right here on debit side. From this total I have to deduct the expenses. First Rakesh, from 1,92,000 I do deduct 18,000 and 1,800. I will get the balance of 1,72,200. For Rakshita, from 1,32,000 I do deduct 10,000 and 1,000. I get the balance of 1,21,000. 21,000. His balance should be written here as to balance carry down. This is about closing balance. Why it is closing balance? We started with opening balance 1,50,000 and 1 lakh. 1,50,000 for Rakesh and 1 lakh for Rakshita. This is about closing balance of Rakesh and Rakshita. You can see the opening capital balance of Rakesh is 1,50,000. Now it has become 1,72,200. For Rakshita, opening balance is 1 lakh, closing balance is 1,21,000. It changes. Why it changes? Because all these adjustments we have entered in this partner's capital account. So under fluctuating capital method, due to this reason, the capital of the partners gets changed. It gets